Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am vlogging today, and this is not a Kicking It with Kim vlog, even though it could have been, but it's not. But we are organizing my product stash again, getting rid of some stuff. My room get real nasty when I start getting too many products, so I'm gonna be giving them away, and I'm gonna be doing my video like I did last time when I showed you guys like what I didn't want anymore out of my entire collection. So that video is coming up as well. But for this video, I'm about to be organizing my stash, and my hair is done. I just did a wash and go, y'all, and I haven't stretched it or anything. That's why I look like this. Y'all see how bunched up it is? It's so bad. I'm about to go back upstairs. Tam is here, so she's going to be helping me do this stuff. Hey, Sky. Hi, Sky. See, told y'all Tam was here. Say hey, Tam. Hey. All right, y'all. I'm about to attack this stuff, y'all. So I don't know what I'm gonna get rid of. We'll talk about that in the next video, but I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these products out because it's time for them to go. I need to organize all of that again. I don't think I'm gonna take all of these out like I did last time because it's still kind of neat and clean. I'm just gonna kind of think about what I don't want, take it down, and reorganize. All right, you guys, so I'm not done. I haven't been through that little band thing, but I've done this so far. Okay, and look at the mess we got. These are the products that are like open and used that I'm gonna give away to shelter. Those are full products that I'm going to give away to you guys. I just got products everywhere, as y'all can see. Look at this guy. Hey, can you help me? Can you help me? Cause it don't look like you doing much. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. I wanted y'all to be able to see the products I'm talking about. I should share with y'all why I decided to keep the products that I'm keeping. And I still haven't cleaned that out. I just noticed it as we're filming. I'm gonna get to the bottom and then I'm gonna clean that out. But let's go to the top. Yep, I need a step stool to get up here. Don't mind me. So, first product, this is Wash. Honestly, I don't know much about this brand at all. I know they have a dry shampoo. See, it's like a curls dry cleanser. Look at my nails, they're cute, huh? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so I got this line and I'm keeping it because it's like a curls refresher. Y'all know I don't refresh my curls, but I figured if I was going to one day, maybe I should try this out. So that's why I kept this line. This is the shelf right under it. We have some Aveda. Still haven't really tried these, so I just kept them because I'm like, I need to try them. I really need to try. And then they just came out with a new line. So now I'm like, well, do I really need to try them? I don't know. I don't know. So they're here. And then we have Trey Lux here. I don't know why I put theirs up here, to be honest with you. I don't reach for them. I do need to reach for them. I will reach for them more. But I did like the gel in this, so that's why I kept this line. It was a good line though. It's a good line. Everything here, like, I'm having to be very picky. So everything that's still on the shelf is good. This is a product line that I saw on Instagram where they use mousse. This mousse seemed to be really, really good. I still haven't used it on my hair in the purpose that I want to yet. So I'm just saving that for that. And there's also a curl sauce. You're supposed to use these together for a wash and go. I've done it on my mom's hair and it went really well. I didn't like it too much on my homegirl's hair, which her hair is like mine. I may try it on my hair. I don't know. We have some natural stuff. I still haven't tried this stuff. So that's why I have it. You know, it's black owned. So I just feel like I need to try it. I know. And then the dew. Y'all know I like the foam. This is a very nice foam. So if I do use a foam, I probably reach for this one because it's really, really good. The texture tamer, I did use that in a recent video, but I didn't like it for the purpose of a wash and go. I was saying that leave-in would be good for a blowout. Then we got my girl Brianna, which her products are amazing. Do not get me wrong. The only reason it's up here is because this shit's empty, okay? It's like, honey, it's really not much in here, so I'm trying not to use it all. Then my little Shea Moisture. I feel like I had so much Shea Moisture stuff once upon a time, but I gave it all away. Now I'm just keeping the smoothie and some Manuka honey stuff. These are my favorite collections from Shea Moisture for sure. We have some Weedad products, as y'all can see. Been using those. Deep conditioners are amazing. The custard was good. The curls deep conditioner. This is my favorite deep conditioner, so y'all know why we here. The wash and this jelly. Honestly, this jelly can go. I don't know why that's up there. And then we have the My Black is Beautiful collection. Have not tried it yet. That's the only reason it's still here. LK Naturals, these products I really do like from them, so they're here. I really do like the Kinky Curly line, so it's here. Also, the products on this row, they don't have a lot of things in the collection. Well, I don't have a lot of things that's in that collection, so that's why I decided to put it all up here for aesthetic reasons, honestly. And then I have the Carol's Daughter line here. I really like the mask. The mask was cool. And the butter. Y'all know I used the butter for my mini twist at the Camille Rose section. Love these products. You guys know this is one of my favorite lines. Well, these are my two favorite lines from Camille Rose. Their original naturals one. And then you got the coconut water line, which I really love. Their deep conditioner, but I don't have any more of the deep conditioner. I only have the co-wash and the style setter. Actually didn't know I had these until I just went through it, and the elixir. So I'm like, listen, I need to use that because yeah, I love this line. That dip conditioner was bomb. Here is the Talia Wajid. I do really like these products, so I wanted to go ahead and push those down. They were all the way up there. I pushed them down, so now I will use them a little bit more often. Afrosheen is honestly one of my favorite brands. I've been using these products nonstop. I've used their butter. I've used their slick back cream styler whenever I want to do like a puff or something. The curling cream, I did that in the Tweed Out, right? But yeah, their gel good. The whole line, this whole line, the oiled, it's good. I did downsize my Diva Curl collection because I just had so many duplicates. So I just went ahead and took out the duplicates and the products that were for like type 3 here. Then I have the Texture ID products here. Y'all know I really like the styling cream, so honestly that was all that I kept. I gave the rest of the line away because I didn't really like it like that. Briogeo, I just haven't given it my all, and it's black on, and I really want to use it to really figure out like if I really like it. This Dove line, I've actually used it and I actually like it, y'all. I do like the Dove line. I haven't used it on a style for me, but I've used it on others. So yeah, I don't know why these edge controls are just chilling right here, but I actually want to see them over here. I feel like color is needed right here. Yes, these edge controls are so good. It's by Kiss. I don't know if y'all tried them, but I really like them. These are the only my L products that I have left in my collection. I threw a lot of their products out. I really like the smell of this collection. That was my favorite collection from them, but I do like the avocado milk from the first line as well. So I just have some curling custard here, and then the milk, the white peony, that's just in case I do like a blowout style. I like to use spray leave-in, so that's why I kept that. Here is my main choice collection. Of course, the tropical moringa, the ancient Egyptian, and the original line. These are the only things that I have, the gels and stuff. I'm actually about to start using this gel again and the 24 karat gel because I really liked them and my hair loved them. I think I'm gonna use it today, to be honest. The next one is the Mizani line. I love the packaging of this line, y'all, and I haven't really given it an amazing shot. Still gotta try those products out. Then moving on as I am, I only kept my favorite lines, which are these two, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line and their original line. The scalp one is good as well, but I don't have a lot of scalp issues, so I ended up giving it away. Okay. Moving down, I have some Miche products here. The TGIN, y'all know I love the hair mask. I haven't really tried the Twist and Define cream, so I kept one of those, but I gave like 2 of those away. And I love the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer for like any type of slick backs. This is normally my go-to for slick backs and stuff, but since Afro Sheen came out, I've been using that one, but this one still is bae. Like this right here will make your hair so smooth and shiny. Next thing that I have in my collection is the Nancy's Kitchen products. This line smells so good, and they are so supportive of my channel and my Instagram. I just love that. Like any brand that's really like heavily into the influencers who are really helping promote their products, I'm all for that. So shout out to them, Black owned. And then we got Moisture Love as well. Now I have used this cream like crazy. I haven't really used the shampoo or anything like that. I'm telling myself I want to use it more, so that's why it's here. And then I have Oribe there. I do use that leave-in a lot, and I do use, honestly, I use these products. Then we have this section right here, which I have some Kaleidoscope products over there. These I would consider more for blowouts type stuff. We have my African Pride collection. I need some more African Pride products because I heard they got a lot of stuff, but this is the only thing I've had from them. This is the gel and cream, and we have the gel mousse back there. Well, curl mousse. So just a mousse and a gel cream. I don't know how great it is. I haven't tried it. And then we have some Eco Slay products, which Eco Slay kind of bothers me, y'all. That's why they down here. Specifically because the packaging does not match. Like, it's driving me insane. I don't know if they just continuously switching up what they do, but it's just throwing me off. And then I got all my gels back here. So like a bunch of Ecos, some Style Factors, just the gels that I use. You guys know, my wet lines and stuff. So yeah, friend, like I said, I haven't really cleaned this out, but for the sake of this video, it's a mess, okay? It's just items in here that don't go into any collections or anything like that, but I have to go through it. I'm gonna throw some of this stuff out. That is it for my collection. I've basically given you guys like a reorganization / tour today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, talking about the products that I'm actually keeping. So stay tuned for tomorrow so you can see which products I'm not keeping and why. You guys know y'all like these videos where I just sit down and chit chat with y'all. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.